Hello, we are in Makatea and we're taking off in a little bit. Just going on one last walk and heading to Tahiti. It's so crazy. When I thought about the South Pacific before, I thought Tahiti. There's so much more to it, and it's been so amazing to see so much of French Polynesia, and most importantly, how wonderful the people have been. We've had such a lovely time with so many wonderful people, but we're just burning some time now. It's like 130 miles to Tahiti from here. You know, we got quite a bit of wind, so we should be moving pretty quick. So we're just burning time. Say goodbye, Makatea. We are just cruising along. We have about 100 miles left. Shows we're gonna get in at like 4 a.m. so we're gonna have to slow way down. It's so nice having a performance boat that makes it so we can do passages, and we had some other friends leave early this morning and we're sailing twice as fast. Anyway, outremer, once again, they've done it right. They've done such a good job. We love our boat. So we have NKE wind instruments, and once again, I think this is the third time that we've had some major issues with it. Right now, true wind and apparent wind show almost where it's at. It's not 100% correct, but almost. Right now, it shows we have 0.2 knots of wind. We probably have 15, 16, 17, something like that. It's so fun. We're always dealing with garbage like this, but one of the cool things about sailing, when you don't know the wind instruments, it's so easy to rely on the computer. I love not having the ability to do that. We've done it a few times, and the first couple of times it was so scary, but it taught me so much about sailing. And yeah, we can't use the wind autopilot right now, but it makes me pay attention a lot more, and it makes me such a better sailor to be able to just pay more attention to just what the wind is doing. So we're going way too fast, so we're going to pull down the generator.
I just woke up and we're still sailing. We're trying to get to Tahiti, and we just got a fish. I think we did.
Oh, it's a good sign. Come on, buddy.
So it's sunrise, and we just got a fish. And I don't know if the camera can see it, but there's Tahiti right there.
Well, we got into the marina.
Yep.
And there's some lovely guy. Doug is his name. The marina told us where to go, so we went there, but apparently it was Doug's spot. And Doug came back, and Doug has told me how wonderful of a person I am for it. Well, come to find out, the marina office lied, didn't tell him the full story. They blamed it on me, and then the marina office, to my face, they laughed because they knew they screwed up, but they didn't want to tell him. So anyway, we've been dealing with Doug for the last several hours, telling us how wonderful of people we are. Anyway, glad to be here. We're in Papiti Marina, Papiti, whatever, Marina, and happy to be here. All right, this is Josh. Josh is crazy. Check out this boat. He built this boat. He built this. There's a bunch of these, and they're a race around the world. And Josh started in Antigua. Are you from North Carolina?
No, Seattle is where.
Oh, that's right.
It's just I had family there, so.
Anyway, so he left Antigua, but they're going around the world on, how many feet is this?
19.
19 feet. Yeah. Crazy.
Plywood, homemade.
Yeah, it's plywood with fiberglass. Can I take a peek inside?
Absolutely, be my guest.
That's the toilet.
That is the toilet, and also the bathroom. So all my bathroom stuff's in there.
So water.
Yep. I got 100
so
liters
cool.
of water. I got a swiveling gimbal alcohol stove, so I cook real proper meals.
Autopilot.
Wind vane.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have a tiller pilot as well.
Yeah.
Don't use it, sorry.
So good. So this is where the Olympics were. Teahupo'o, something like that. We've just been driving around today, seeing the island. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. Loving Tahiti. We have had an awesome day. We went to church and now we just came over to Point Venus. It's, look it up. There's cool history here. We're gonna check out a few other places along I guess we're on the northeast side of the island. So we'll just mess around here for a while. Crazy. This is the first sandy beach that we've seen since Marquesas had a few, but in most of the French Polynesia area it's really coarse, rocky, corally I should say, beaches, but this is so awesome. Here we are. We're like an hour away from where we were. It's some holiday today, and you know, the good thing about France is they have holidays. They have bank holidays is what they call it. And so nobody works ever. It's amazing they get anything done. The parking garage where the car is locked up and the security wouldn't help us anyway, so we had to get a taxi. And now we're with our friends and we're driving up to the trailhead to the waterfall. Wow, it's so beautiful. So awesome up here. I know, it took like almost 3 hours, I think. It is just breathtaking everywhere you look. There's so many waterfalls, you can't even capture them all. We just had lunch and now we're heading back down. Whoa, whoa. I shouldn't record, I'm gonna fall. We all know I've fallen way too many times while recording. Anyway, there's huge eels. There's an eel right over here that's probably 2 feet long, 2.5 feet long, and just big old thick thing. So they're freshwater eels. I guess they don't bite people, no problem. But we just got back. I think it took us like 5.5, 6 hours round trip. So it was quite the hike, but so lovely. We had to get a taxi over here. So I guess we're gonna squeeze in a few cars to get back to the city. We never film, you know, shopping is just one of those things. It's never easy, but so we have guests coming on the boat for the next like 10 days. Gina's sister, we're so excited for their family to come with us, but we never document how big of a nightmare it is to provision the boat, and because we're gonna go over to Morea, and just getting on and off the boat, finding food isn't always easy, and so we're getting all stocked up now. It's been an awesome morning. We're just getting ready. It's Saturday morning. We're getting ready to head out of here to go to the airport to pick up Gina's sister. The kids went and took a surfing lesson, and yeah, now we're just gonna head back to the boat here shortly. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, who's the captain?
Me.
What?
Me.
All right. It's so fun having kids on the boat. We're getting kicked out of the marina. We were supposed to tell them we wanted one more night before noon, and I got there at like 12:45. So they're kicking us out. Someone's taking our spot. So we are going to Makatea. It's only like, I believe 10 miles away. So it's nice and close, but should be fun. It looks beautiful. It's 10 miles. So we're going like 8 knots. What's up? Welcome to Makatea.
We're almost there.
Who's the captain?
Me.
Yeah. So it's kind of fun. The boat in a couple videos back when we were crossing the Pacific that we came by, they're right up here. So that's so fun. So we're on a tour. We just got on in the truck. We're just having a tour around Makatea. There's Leah right over there. Look at this thing. Souvenirs.
In all island of Makatea, we have more than 100 Tahitian temple like this. Temple in Tahitian we call the mare. The name of this mare is the mare Teahupo'o. Is the main temple of the island. Even when you go hiking.
All right, now we've come to see some eels. Oh, wow! Look how big that sucker is.
So big. What are you?
Mackerel. Mackerel. Let me see it. Mackerel.
I cannot eat that.
Eel bait. Oh, these are crazy.
Touch the top of the body.
I'm gonna touch an eel. I'm gonna touch an eel.
I already touched an eel.
Big. Alrighty, we are gonna pick up anchor. It's been a miserable night, afternoon. The wind's been shifting. We've had consistently, like right now we have 20 knots. It's nice, we have the reef out here, so it breaks a lot of the swell, but yeah, it's been a little wild. So we're off. We're gonna just go to the south side of the island. Ready, Captain? That was pretty gnarly. I took a few pictures of Optimistic, our friends that followed us in. Wow, it was too much. And there's so much wind. There's like, I don't know what the top wind, 35 knots-ish, but is wild. But we're here, we're settled. The wind has finally calmed down. So we're just hanging out. We're gonna put up the T-wall and sail around. I'll take the drone up right now and show you the cut that we went through.
Conversation and my life feels so vacant. Without you, I'm just moving in between the sad reality. No, I'm patient, but I've been out here waiting for someone else to fill the void in me. A harsh reality. And I've heard you with someone else. While I'm here by myself, holding on to what you left. Was it all in my head when you said you loved me? 'Cause no one can love me better than you did.
It's like 6 o'clock. Just woke up. It's so amazing how still it is, and you can hear huge waves out there crashing on the reef, and it's so beautiful. Now the sun's just coming up and you can hear the roosters, and it's so cool. Beautiful, beautiful. So fun. I woke up to a pod of spinner dolphins. We're gonna head over to Cook's Bay. It's like 15 miles, and the wind It's all over the place.
Was it all in my head? Was it all?
So we have what's called furling props, and you have to shut down the motors and then put it in reverse, and the prop, it's spread out like this, and then as soon as you put it in reverse, the prop is taken out of gear, and it folds up like this, and it's crazy. I don't know, I'd say it makes you go a knot faster when you're, kind of depends how much wind and stuff, but it's a huge thing. Our boat, if they're not back, the boat just sits there and vibrates. You can feel it. It's crazy, but anyway, super nice. So this is Cook's Bay. So pretty. We're gonna anchor down in here, but the water's not too clean, so we're coming to the top of the bay and we'll anchor out here. Maybe tonight, when we're done playing and stuff, we'll move in. It's awesome. The church is just right back here, so we'll be able to go to church easy in the morning. Tonight we're going to the Hilton for a show and dinner. So we're going on a tour with a guy from church to a couple of different places and to swim with sharks and stingrays and hopefully some turtles.
Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. When the sun goes down and the world spins round.
My katana, okay? This is my katana. It's open. You can hit everywhere. You can open, huh? Okay. But if you hit the top of the eyes and you hit like this,
Oh my goodness.
you're gonna open like this. And inside you have the coconut water. Huh? Ding!
Is that cool or what?
One more. Yes.
Good job. Right there. Here's where it hit. I'm glad this whole piece stayed together.
Crazy. Look at that.
Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun.
We are on our way to Utah. The boys have young men's camp with our church, and so we wanted to go, but our family was in town. And anyway, long story short, the stars aligned. We found a place in the marina. We were able to pull out the dagger board to have someone fix for the next couple of weeks, and then so we're going home. We'll be home in Utah for like 2-3 weeks, and then we'll be back to the boat. So we're super excited. We'll be there over the 4th, and so 4th of July, so it'll be nice.